5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Right over crest, and max left in long, 100. Right over crest, tightens 3, late in. Right max continues over crest. Into 5 left in, slowing for late 2 right in. 2 left long, late in. Max right over 150. And 4 left continues, tightens 2 in late. And open hairpin right, carry speed. Opens to max long. And right into open hairpin left, carry speed, room. Early max right, go, 4 left, well in, opens to max long in, over crest, early right max in, and left, into open hairpin right, opens. Left max long, early right max in, and right over crest into 4 left tightens late. Repeat, right over crest into 4 left tightens late. Right over crest, short, 3 left opens over crest. 4 left in, down, late square right. 100. 1 left, fast in, opens to max over crest, dip, go 4 left, fast in over crest, 60 down, 1 left, extra long in, and right tightens 2, fast in, and flat crest, 4 left, fast line okay, 80. Right over crest, tightens square, late, 200. Fast, 5 left in over bump, C150. Slippy maybe, right tightens, fast 3 in over crest. And max left long in over junction. Right max line, 60 late, 2 left in over crest, slow. Go, 5 right long, into left max in over crest, and right max long over flat crest, okay, and 6 left continues over 80, tightens 3, line. 1 right, fast long. Go, 4 left in over small crest, opens, tightens 2 late, and 1 right in, long. Go, 3 left opens max, and small crest turns square left plus. Go 4 right in, early left max in, opens long okay. Right max line to flat crest, right max in 100, rightish over flat crest 100, line into turn square right, carry speed, into left 100, flat crest long 150, dip, into max left over crest, don't cut, 200 bumpy. Right max 100 bumpy, left max okay over 100, and left max to small crest, late 3 left, fast line. Repeat, late 3 left, fast line. Opens to Max over 80. Max right over crest and line into early, 5 left in over crest. Right Max in, opens tightens, 5 in, 3 left. And right opens tightens, hairpin right, late. And 2 left, fast in over crest. Into 2 left, nips okay. Opens to Max. Max right in over crest, 60. Left is over flat crest, 60. Right Max over 80. Tightens square right line. Up. Go, 3 left opens and nips late line. Into leftish over flat crest long. 60 to small crest, 4 left late in. Early right Max in, 100. Small crest and leftish over small crest. 5 right line and 4 left in, the square right plus in. 4 left well in, 4 turn square right narrows. Square right narrows. Flat crest, C100. Small crest, 4 right, fast in. 4 right, fast in, dip, late 4 right, 60. Left Max continues for 80 to post, fast 3 left in over crest. Go 4 right long, opens and tightens long okay. Into small crest, Max left in, 80. 6 left in over crest. Right tightens 4, fast long to crest. Max left line. Right Max over crest, 80 down. Right Max okay, 80 down, slow 4 right in long. Repeat, slow 4 right in long. And left 60, 2 left, late, fast in over crest, okay. Z150. Leftish over flat crest, 60, late 4 left, fast in over crest. Max right long over 100. Leftish over crest. 5 right in. Left over 60, tightens 5. Opens, tightens fast line. 100, brake, the hairpin left, carry speed. Opens to Max. And rightish into hairpin right long, artificially tightened. Go 4 left in. And right Max long, 100 up. Open hairpin left, carry speed. $150 up. 4 right, fast line. Into 2 left, fast line over junction. 100. Right Max in. Into left Max. Opens over 60, tightens 4 in. And right Max cut. Right Max cut. Into left Max over 100. And fast 3 right line. 60. Turn, fast 1 right, room. Left Max over 200. Keep in, go fast 4 right line. Max left long, continues in. Early 5 right Max line over finish. Repeat 5 right Max line over finish. 100 to stop. Get in there, my man, get in there. We're there. Get in there, Edwards. Well done, mate.